The Ninja Creami, the ultimate game changer for homemade frozen desserts. Today we're talking about the Ninja Creami, a machine that promises to elevate your frozen dessert game. Whether you're a fan of homemade ice cream, sorbets, milkshakes, or smoothie bowls, this little appliance claims to do it all. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. The Ninja Creami is a countertop appliance that lets you create a variety of frozen desserts from scratch. Its standout feature is its ability to turn frozen ingredients, like fruit, yogurt, or even protein powder, into creamy, scoopable ice cream in minutes, thanks to its Creamify technology. To use the Ninja Creami, you first need to freeze your ingredients in the included pint containers for about 24 hours. Once frozen, you pop the pint into the machine, select the program for what you're making, and let it go to work. With 7 one-touch programs for ice cream, sorbet, milkshakes, and more, it takes the guesswork out of creating the perfect dessert. What sets the Ninja Creami apart from other frozen dessert machines is its smooth, creamy texture. Unlike traditional ice cream makers, which can leave your treats icy or chunky, the Creami uses a powerful motor to break down frozen blocks of ingredients, creating a velvety, smooth consistency you would expect from premium store-bought ice cream. The results? Absolutely delicious. Whether you're making a rich, creamy ice cream, a refreshing sorbet, or a healthy smoothie bowl, the texture is consistently smooth and creamy, just like the real thing. Plus, the machine offers great customization, allowing you to use any combination of ingredients, whether you're dairy-free, low sugar, or even adding protein powder for a post-workout treat. The Ninja Creami also lets you mix in extras, like chocolate chips or crushed nuts, after your base is processed. Simply hit the Mix In button, and the machine evenly distributes your add-ins without messing up that smooth texture. Another bonus? Cleanup is a breeze. The parts, including the pint containers and lids, are dishwasher safe, making it easy to get back to your next treat. Now, let's talk about the price. The Ninja Creami typically costs around $200, which is a bit of an investment for a machine that's focused on frozen desserts. But if you love homemade ice cream and want a healthier, more customizable option, it's a great buy. It's perfect for families or anyone who loves experimenting with new dessert flavors. Of course, there are a couple of drawbacks. First, you'll need to plan ahead since you have to freeze your ingredients before use. Plus, the machine's capacity is on the smaller side. Each batch makes just about a pint, which is fine for smaller servings, but might require multiple runs for larger groups. Overall, if you love frozen desserts and want to experiment with healthier homemade options, the Ninja Creami is an excellent investment. It's easy to use, delivers creamy results, and gives you the freedom to make desserts that suit your taste and dietary needs. So, whether you're craving classic ice cream or a fruity sorbet, the Ninja Creami might just be the tool you need to take your dessert game to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy blending!